Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a vlog on my channel, and the vlog is about come with me to see a waterfall. As you guys know, I do live in Hamilton, and Hamilton is considered the capital of the waterfalls, and we do have 101 waterfalls near me. So right now I am on my way to Ancaster, Ontario. We do have a nice waterfall there. It's about 10-minute drive from where I live, and its name of the waterfall is Sherman Falls. So I hope you guys enjoy this and stay tuned. So this here, guys, is Ancaster, Ontario. It is beautiful down here. It's more like Ancaster. They do have buildings from 1800s to the 1850s, and this is the nature. It's beautiful nature, all the greenery. It is beautiful down here, Ancaster, Ontario. And yes, I am driving. I'm on my way to go see the Sherman Falls. Here we are, guys. We're coming close to the Sherman Falls. It's right up there. I'm just going to find some parking and we'll get right to the fall. So here we are, guys. We're at the Sherman Falls, and this is considered the Bruce Trail within the Dundas Valley Conservation Area. And this is a map of the area. And here we are. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? All the greenery and all that's around this nature. You hear the birds chirping. It's a beautiful day. And look at this. This is beautiful. Sorry, guys. So we are on our way. This is a trail that leads to the waterfall. Look at that. Look at those rocks up there. Here it says, follow the blazes so you won't get lost. But look at that. It's coming up, guys. You guys are going to enjoy this. You guys are going to love this. Here's a little plaque. It's saying, in recognition of the general donation of the Bruce Trail Association from Del Vasco Incorporated from January 2005. Look at all that moss on those rocks. There's a lot of moss on those rocks. Look at this. This is a little river. And there's like a little bridge over there. But look at this water. It's beautiful. How it's coming down. This big rock here with a lot of moss on it. I hope you guys are enjoying this because this is beautiful. Oh, we do have quite a bit of people here. A lot of people. They're enjoying the falls also. Look at those rocks, guys. Look it up there. That is beautiful. So here it is. This is a bridge, guys. It's a little bridge. And this side has a river that flows down. And then we have this side, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is amazing, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Look at the view. That is beautiful. I could stand here for hours and hours just watching this fall. Hearing the noise of it, the water falling. Look at that. It is beautiful down here. I love nature. Look at all the trees. And it's such a beautiful day today, guys. It's so hot here. It's a lovely day. It is beautiful. Just hear that water, guys. Just hear it. Isn't it nice and relaxing and peaceful? And this is the other side of the fall. And that's the river again. And that, the path leads down to where I park my vehicle. Hey guys, I decided to come a little bit closer for you guys, so you guys could enjoy this view. Look at how beautiful this is. And it's so hot here today. It's such a beautiful day. Look at the sun peeking through those trees. It is beautiful. And we do have 101 waterfalls around. I will be making more vlogs of different waterfalls for you guys to see. This is the first waterfall I'm showing. Hope you guys enjoy this, guys. I sure do. I love this. It's beautiful. And then see the water going all down there, like a little cascade of water going all the way down. Here it is, guys. This is the Sherman Falls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. This was such a nice waterfall. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will be posting more of a lot more waterfalls that we have here in Hamilton. And the next one that I'm going to be posting is a big waterfall. It's very tall, and it's the tallest waterfall here that we have here in Hamilton, which is called the Twos Falls. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys liked my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Have a great, fantastic day. Bye.